Hello, hello. How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing very well under the difficult situation that we are facing at this moment. So I continue to pray for your better health and better recoveries, okay? So today I am going to show you how to cook the uh, pork and organic vegetable soup. I think I did that previously, but this time I'm gonna use some different, ingredients. So basically, I'm gonna use the organic gingers as usual, right? And then organic Welsh onions, chopped. Not napa cabbage, bok choy and mustard cabbage. They're organics, right? So I'm gonna use that one, and it's gonna be very interesting. Yeah, and I'm gonna put some tomato paste into it, organic tomato paste once again. And on top of that, because I'm gonna put the steamer on top, so I'm gonna steam the fried tofu. So stay tuned. Okay then, so first of all, I'm going to put the organic chopped green onions or Welsh onions. Okay, so yeah, you don't wanna waste not even a piece. Okay. Bang, 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 cha-chun, cha-chun, cha-chun. Right? So that's good. Number one. Then, schmuck. I didn't say the word. Okay. So, 2 cups of organic sliced gingers. Yeah. So good. It smells so good because this is the organic one. So, they didn't put pesticides or anything. So it smells the way it should be. The real ginger. Yeah, so it's like this, right? Not bad. Okay. So, yeah. Organic king oyster mushrooms. Okay. You just put everything. You just chip it in. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So washed. Okay. Pork. Right. So you can check on my other episode how to clean the pork. So I soak into a brine that removes more than 65% of nasty stuffs, right? So do your own research before you're gonna do that. Okay? Yeah. So just yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then uh, wild bamboo shoots. Yeah. Okay. Then okay. So this is the one, right? So bok choy leaves and stems underneath, right? So, yeah. Yeah. And don't forget to add the fish broth. Now, those of you, or you can use either beef stocks, chicken stocks, just plain water. It's fine too. Yeah. I'm not going to add the water because you get the water from the ingredients itself. Okay. And yeah, that's the beauty of it. So, oh, look at what I found you. This is the one. So, no chemical added. Okay. So bonito and kelp. Yeah. It's about what, 2 tablespoons? 1, 2. You know what? Yeah, 2. That's 2. That's 2. Okay. Then what else? Yeah. And organic tomato paste. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So I just ran out the tomato paste I usually buy, but it's alright. As long as it's organic, doesn't matter. Yeah. Alright, let me taste this. Mmm. Awesome sauce. I mean, I could eat this as is, but I could do that right there. Shouldn't be called soup. Then I'm gonna add some tofu, fried tofu. Okay, so yeah. I mean, those of you can't find the fried tofu, you can just steam anything, you know, veggies or chicken or meat or whatever. Yeah, I just love tofu. Yeah. Okay. Darn it. Okay. So, here's the tofu. Oh, make sure it's kind of presentable, right? So, why don't I do this way so that steam going through? You know what? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Oop. All right. So beforehand, this probably take about 30 minutes to get cooked. Okay. So I'm gonna set a timer at 30 minutes. You know what? Let's do 35 just in case. Okay. This looks, yeah. All right. So, oh, what was that? Look what I have found. Yeah, bamboo shoots. You know what? Just put it in the middle. How's that sound? Huh? Yeah. Okay. I guess I see you in the in 30, 35 minutes. Yeah. Oh, before, yeah. So, this I'm using the Amway iCook stainless steel cookware, aka Amway Queen cookware in certain countries, right? Right. So, yeah. So, because this one has the stainless steel one, it's kind of thicker one too. So, and thanks to the similar to the aircraft technologies, it's called the what was that? Labyrinth seal of the jet engine. So what that do is when the vapor is coming up, right, the moist gonna get trapped at the edge. So that'll become a gasket between the two steels, right? Then you keep it makes easier to cook. Not only that, it keeps the energy, heat. It helps to spread the heat evenly. So now, certain countries is be marketed as Dutch oven, which is true. It's a stainless steel Dutch oven. So those of you using Dutch oven, never whether stainless steel or the cast iron one, it keeps rotating or circulating the heat, right? Yeah. So if you're not using stuff like this, it's probably gonna take much longer because it's not efficient. Yeah. Okay. So see in a bit. And if you want to add wine or vodka, that's okay, but I'm not gonna do it today. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Now I think it's ready. So let's take a look. So of course the tofu should be ready. Okay, gonna show you. Here, the steam fried tofu. Okay, and then the juiciest part would be the soup. Yeah. Okay, so gonna add some organic olive oil. Okay, so yeah. It's darn good. Here. What do we have here? Yeah? So, awesome. Okay, so it's ready to serve. Ready to serve. Okay. So, have some veggies first. Yeah. Right. So bamboo, it's kind of fusion. It's not even Japanese food. It's just a vegetarian soup, okay? Veggie soup. It's not a vegetarian because it has pork products into it. So, but here, those of you can't eat pork, you don't need to add. Just veggies is fine, or seafood. It's scallops, so I wouldn't put shrimps, but yeah. Some mushrooms. Yeah. Where's the pork? Yeah. Oh, now we have it. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Beautiful. Have some gingers. Solid gingers. Yeah. I'm so excited. I love eating cleaner food, right? Okay. Pour some soup. It's similar to like I don't know, minestrone, I guess. Yeah. Ouch. Here is the organic veggie soup, organic veggies and pork soup. All right? Yeah. Look at that, huh? So let's dig in, I guess. So I'm gonna wait the tofu because it's bloody hot. So I'm gonna get the soup first. All right. Here's the soup. Yeah. Ah, it's awesome. This is absolutely magnificent. Yeah. So. It's perfect. Nothing to complain. Some pork, the ginger, right? So, the bamboo, so fresh. Absolutely perfect. Yeah. So use the organic greens. I mean, if you want to add some ghost pepper hot sauce, it's okay, but as long as it's organic, because many of the chilies or ghost peppers spray with, pesticides, so you don't want that chemical cocktail into the lovely organic soup. So, any doubt, you might want to grow your own chilies. Yeah, that way you can control, right? Yeah. So. Oh. Amazing. This is bloody amazing. Yeah. It's crunchy. It's good. Yeah, as always, I do apologize eating in front of you like this, okay? Because it's a chef's privilege. So I thank you all very much, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and thumbs up, right? Okay, take care everybody. God bless you all. Hi, thank you for watching my cooking shows. Those of you enjoyed, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell. And then don't forget to subscribe my cooking channel so that you won't be missing the forthcoming cooking shows. Stay hungry and cheers, and make sure you stay strong and positive. All right, cheers. God bless you.